A secret deal to manipulate world oil prices goes public. An investigation by Reuters found Russia and Saudi Arabia struck a secret deal in September to massively increase oil production and exports, a way of making up Iran's share of the market, being suppressed by a new wave of U.S. sanctions. Global oil prices have spiked to around $75 per barrel, a trend global producers and rivals are blaming on President Donald Trump.
Let us be frank. These oil prices are primarily the result of the actions of the current U.S. administration, such as expectation of sanctions against Iran.
Insiders told Reuters the two nations worked secretly to avoid the appearance they were acting on Trump's behalf. Trump has repeatedly called on OPEC to drop prices ahead of the November 6 midterm elections. Iran accused Saudi Arabia and Russia of violating OPEC supply agreements. Despite that, Tehran stressed that its buyers were not abandoning Iran.
Our Indian friends have always been categorical in terms of their intention to continue economic cooperation and import of oil from Iran.
But Indian companies announced they have placed no orders at all for Iranian oil in November, just days after Iran's statement. Meanwhile, China's top oil company says they are cutting Iranian sources in half. Iran's exports peaked in April at 2.5 million barrels per day and have already dropped 40% since then. But remaining OPEC nations lack the capacity to make up the full difference, and oil prices are likely to see a rise despite the deal. Ariel Levin-Waldman, I-24 News.